Hey, what's up everybody? Gold versus silver. Which one is the better buy? Which one do you choose? Which one do I choose? That's the conversation I would like to have in this video. So please let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. I'm definitely going to give you my opinions in this video. My opinions are going to be mostly based on facts, but let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. And please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button on the video. But which one do you choose? Now, I like to buy both. I like to buy gold and I like to buy silver. However, the quantity and the form of silver and gold that I buy today is much different than what I was buying a few years ago, say in 2018 and 2017. I was buying a lot more silver bullion back then than I am buying now. As far as stacking gold and stacking silver, I like to look at past performance because past performance may not, but it could tell us what the future performance is going to be of both of these precious metals, both gold and silver. For this video, I want to go back to 2011 and look at the high for both gold and silver. When each of these precious metals in 2011 reached their all-time high, for gold it was $1,896.50. For silver it was $48.70. Since 2011, silver has not reached its high of 2011 at $48.70. In 2020, gold reached not only its all-time high of 2011, it went way past its high of 2011, and it reached in July, I believe it was in July of 2020, gold hit $2,058.40. In 2020, silver's high. A lot of people say silver hit $30, but I did not see at the time silver hit $30. And when I go back and I do research, I do not see anywhere where silver actually hit $30 in spot price. But I do see where it hit $29.26. And that's what I remember is seeing silver got close to hitting $30 back in 2020. But I'm showing in August of 2020, silver hit $29.26. March of 2023, gold once again went over $2,000 an ounce. Silver in March of 2023 hit $24 an ounce spot price. Currently, as I'm recording this video, it is April 2023. Markets are currently closed, but gold is sitting at $2,022 and silver is sitting around $25 per ounce spot price. None of us can predict the future of what either of these precious metals are going to do. However, if you look at past performance, where if you take into account 2011, 2020, and now 2023, we see that gold keeps hitting higher highs. Gold hit a high in 2011 at $1,896.50. Gold hit another high in 2020 of $2,058.40, and gold, as we sit right now in April of 2023, gold is pretty close to hitting another high. It's not at the high of 2020 yet, but it's pretty close to getting to its high of 2020, sitting at $2,022, where each time gold has breached its all-time high, silver has struggled to hit that high. Now in April of 2011, silver did hit $48.70 briefly, but silver's all-time high was back in 1980 when it hit just under $50 per ounce. And of course, none of this is financial advice. This is all based on my research. I would definitely encourage everybody to do your own research, your own due diligence, and come to your own conclusions on which metal is better for stacking, gold or silver. As I stated earlier in the video, I like to buy both gold and silver, but I like to buy them sort of differently. When it comes to silver, I like to buy collectible silver, lower mintage silver, silver that I believe will hold its value much better than silver bullion. On the other hand, when it comes to gold, I like to stack gold. I'm more of a gold stacker and a silver collector. And I'm glad that I made that decision because the gold that I have has appreciated in value. If I had to sell gold for gold spot price, I would definitely come out ahead. However, if I was stacking silver in 2020 and in 2021, when the premiums were jacked up on silver in 2020 and in 2021, and premiums have since come down, but they haven't come down that much to where I can justify for myself stacking a lot of silver. In fact, as I record this video, the premiums are starting to go back up once again on silver. Silver is definitely the more volatile of the two metals between silver and gold. When gold and silver are both on a run up, silver usually goes up a lot more than gold percentage wise. If gold goes up by 2%, silver is usually going up by 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, maybe 7%. But silver is also more volatile on the way down. If gold and silver is both declining in spot price, silver is usually going down way further than gold on the way down. More volatile on the way up and also more volatile on the way down. Gold was also made a tier 1 asset back in 2017. So in theory, it's a risk-free asset. Not saying that the price won't fluctuate, because the gold spot price definitely does fluctuate and it's still a volatile precious metal. It's just not as volatile as silver. So I view gold, in my opinion, as being the more stable of the two metals between gold and silver, and gold also holds its value much better, in my opinion, than silver, especially when you factor in premiums. When you go back the last few years in 2020 and 2021, and even as I record this video in 2023, it's the premiums that are the problem, in my opinion, when it comes to stacking silver bullion, stacking silver weight. The problem, in my opinion, with silver is mainly the premiums that you have to pay to get the silver. I'm not saying that silver at some point will not outperform gold. At some point, maybe it will. And in the short term, silver does outperform gold as both precious metals are going up because silver is more volatile. Silver does outperform gold at times when it goes up in the short term, but in the long term, gold has outperformed silver. Now, we have spoke about several dates, 2011, 2020, 2023, gold and silver's performance. But how about in the long term? If we go back to 1972, when gold was $48.33 and silver was about $1.60. Since 1972 to 2023, gold is up 4,100% and silver is up 1,450%. People definitely like to speculate that silver is going to hit $30 an ounce, $40 an ounce, $50 an ounce, but that is all pure speculation. In reality, silver has not hit $30 an ounce since 2013. I would rather not speculate with silver, but go based off of facts. And based on facts and my research, and in my opinion, gold is the better store of value. All the historical data, dates, and spot prices for this video was pulled from microtrends, not adjusted for inflation. And some of the numbers that was given in this video, like the percentage in which gold and silver went up since 1972, was approximately that and not necessarily 100% pinpoint accurate. But pretty close nonetheless, as long as my math was accurate, and I believe it was, but feel free to double check. If you agree or even disagree with anything that I said in this video, please let me know in the comment section below. With all that being said, I will continue to stack a little bit of silver, but I'm gonna mainly focus on gold. However, I don't want to buy either of these precious metals as they're on their way up. I'd rather buy them on their way down. Where the market's going to go, none of us know. None of us have that crystal ball. None of us can predict the markets, but I would rather wait for some pullbacks versus buying gold or silver on their way up. I appreciate everybody for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are, your opinions are in that comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.